In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Taoist Dynamite Site.design. Webflow.com. We're going to walk through a short, clear flow that gets you from the site's homepage to the Shopify app page. I'll explain what to look for at each stage so you feel confident following along on desktop or mobile. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the Webflow project page for the Dynamite site. Give the page a moment to fully load so the navigation and interactive elements appear properly. If you're on a smaller screen, the layout might compress a bit, but everything you need will still be there, just possibly tucked inside a menu. Once you're on the home page, look for the navigation option labeled Apps. On desktop, this is typically in the site's main header or top navigation bar. On mobile or a narrow window, you may need to tap the menu icon to reveal the navigation first. When you see Apps, click or tap it. This takes you into the area where you can browse and find specific integrations tied to the site. Inside the Apps area, locate the search field. Click into it and type the word Shopify. Take a second to check your spelling, no extra spaces at the beginning or end, and use standard capitalization if the site highlights exact matches. As you type, you may see instant suggestions or filtered results appearing below. If nothing appears right away, wait a beat or press Enter to trigger the search. A stable internet connection helps here, and if you still don't see results, clear the field and type Shopify again slowly to prompt the suggestion system. When Shopify appears in the results, select it. Click or tap directly on the Shopify entry to open its detail page. You should now be on a page dedicated to the app, where you can read a summary and see visuals that confirm you've chosen the right one. The purpose of this step is simply to arrive at the Shopify page. Once you're there, you're exactly where you need to be to review what the app offers and consider next actions according to your project's needs. That's the entire flow. Open the Webflow project, go to Apps, search for Shopify, and then open it. If anything looks different on your screen, remember that themes and responsive layouts can shift where items appear, but the labels remain consistent. A quick refresh can also help if results don't load right away. Thanks for following along. Pause and replay any section as needed, and you'll get to the Shopify page without a hitch.